was down on my darkest days. I couldn't fight no more, I could feel it fade away. They didn't want me, so I gave it all away. I had to strip it all down to see brighter days. And now they want it, man, I see, I found a way. They can't stop me, no, there ain't no other way. Ain't no other way. Ain't no other way, I'd rather ever take this road. I put it all up in my back and then I go and take some more. And niggas know I put that work in, take it across the globe. Try to count me out, I'll push right past you niggas on the go. And I'm always going, I cannot stop, it's all I know. And you can't ignore, cause I won't stop till I'm gone. Till I'm biggest thing up in the world, you can't ignore. Bitch, I got the world in my sight. Bitch, I got the world in my sight. My time now. They gon' feel me. Yeah, you gon' feel me. They gon' feel me. They gon' see what I'm about. I've been patient waiting. Yeah, I'm up above it now. And I got that drive. You know I push it to the ground. And I can't leave nothing. Yo, I need to get it now. Cause I've been down bad before. And I can't get back no more. Cause I've been down bad before. And I can't go back no more. Ain't no other way, I'd rather ever take this road. I put it all up in my back and then I go and take some more. And niggas know I put that work in, take it across the globe. Try to count me out, I'll push right past you niggas on the go. And I'm always going, I cannot stop, it's all I know. And you can't ignore, cause I won't stop till I'm gone. Till I'm biggest thing up in the world, you can't ignore. Bitch, I got the world in my sight. Bitch, I got the world in my sight.